Students, my friends from the media, and other distinguished guests. Today we are just without substance. Today we are very confident about our determination. Extremely important to provide value-based education to our kids. That is where the
Good afternoon, HPCL and NIDO. Yet another milestone, आप सभी बच्चों को यहाँ देखने के बाद मुझे, as you are well aware that we are here together to honor HPCL, NIDO, the students who have attended the course and are attending the course of Super 30 for winning the FICCI CSR competition and coming out first amongst 300 companies which are participating in a very, very tough competition. My congratulations to you all. For this success, I need to congratulate HPCL, NIDO. I also want to thank them for providing us, the Indian Army, the opportunity to assist the underprivileged students of Jammu and Kashmir a fair chance to attempt a very, very tough and competitive examination. I need to also thank and compliment Mr. Srivastava and his team of faculty who have persevered and gone through those detailed processes of registration, carrying out interview all the way from Ladakh to Jammu, through a very tough time, especially of times of 2018, when we all recall when the streets were full of protest in terms of stone pelting and such like activity. They persevered, they gone across all over the place and identified suitable students to attend this course for about 11 months. So my compliments to you. They have achieved a 100% success result. Over the first two batches of 68 students have cracked various courses and today are attending these courses all across the country. Congratulations to them as well. I need to congratulate Kilo Force and his team for having persevered, in fact, Brigadier
Rathar, he is pursuing MBBS from BDS GDC Srinagar.
It has been organized to honor HPCL, NIDO, Kilo Force, the students who have participated in this Super 30 program for last about 3 years, their parents for an excellent performance, due to which they have been picked up to be the #1 CSR project out of 300 companies across the country. As I said earlier, I have extended my thanks on behalf of Indian Army to HPCL and NIDO for providing us an opportunity to take care of some underprivileged youth of Jammu and Kashmir to get a fair chance to be able to compete for an extremely tough NEET examination. It is a matter of great honor for all of us that the first two batches of 68 total students, 100% of them have been placed and are attending various courses across the country. I must tell you all that the third batch, in spite of pandemic, has persevered and has been able to finish its course And as per the confidence shown by the students, I am quite sanguine that the maximum of them are going to come up at a very, very higher merit list. The last point I want to convey through you all is that it is a matter of indeed honor for Indian Army that the parents of these students have felt assured and have had confidence in us to send the wards for 11 months. Maximum of them were moving out of their warmth of their homes for the first time. And it makes me very happy to report back to them that possibly we have been successful and we have ensured that their confidence on us has been fulfilled.
जनरल आने वाले दिनों में आपने कहा था कि आप सुपर 30 situation in the coming months because ultimately Taliban has taken.
You know, this question has been asked to me a number of times on events which are unrelated, right? So I'll again answer your question that why are you worried? You are safe. You will be kept safe. There is enough effort. I'm not looking at questions on Taliban or foreign terrorists or local terrorists. For us, it has got nothing to do with the quality and quantity. If there is a gentleman who picks up a weapon, he'll be neutralized either way, either by getting killed or by apprehended. And if he comes and offers surrender, we'll take surrender. Which is primarily I've been reaching out through you all that we have to ensure that the families come out, reach out to the young ones who have been misled, and they should be allowed to surrender by motivating them and come out to be a responsible citizen of the country. There cannot be a better opportunity as on today to ensure that they can fall back to the civil society. We must expose the people who are within Kashmir, who are ensuring that while their children are studying in good schools, good colleges, good government jobs and other jobs, contractors, businesses, but they ensure that youth which is misled, which is not from such a affluent background, not so well educated, picks up a weapon and dies. So their family members, the local terrorist family members need to go and ask those parents that why is your son not picking up a weapon, but why are you ensuring that my child picks up a weapon? Why is it being that my kid is being taken off to a wrong path? So this is the question. I think until unless this realization comes from within the society, this niggle will always remain. Thank you so much.
Thank you.